Hey guys, in this video, let me share you how to delete or deactivate your Google account permanently. It's a permanent delete if you don't want a Google Pay anymore means. Well, in this video, let me share you how to do that. So for that, if you want a simple deactivation, you no need to get any UPI payments from the Google Payments. You can simply deactivate it by just removing your bank account from the Google Pay application. Once you enter the Google Pay application, click on profile icon. Now click on the bank account. Now select the bank account and click on three dot menu, remove account, click on continue. So now it will delete all the UPI IDs you already created. This is the basic deactivation. But if you completely want to delete your Google Pay profile permanently means further just click on the settings option, click on the privacy and security, click on data and personalization. Now here is the Google account link. Click on this. It will head into the Google Chrome browser, and also you want to again log in with your Google account. So if you already have a passkey method of signing in means you can use that method to log in your Google account or enter your Google account password. Now here click on more Google Pay options. Now click on other Google Pay settings. Now it entered into the payment center setting option. Now just to go down. Now here at the bottom, in this page at the bottom, you can see close payments profile. Click on this. It will again open a new tab. You want to again need to log in your Google account. Verify your Google account using your passkey. Now you will see some important thing. Access to service will change immediately. Closing the profile means you will no longer able to use all these things, like you can't able to see the transaction history, payment methods, saved payment methods will be deleted, and purchases from Google Play and other Google products will also be deleted. So like these things you have to note. And also when you close this profile, the following paid services associated with the Google Payments profile will be cancelled. So you have to just go through all these things. And finally here click on the drop down menu and select the reason you want to close, or if you have no reason means select that and click on close payment profile. Now it takes some time. And that's it. Now your Google Pay account profile is completely deleted. And once you deleted your Google Pay profile, and immediately you will receive some SMS. So if you already have any mandate, you created some mandate using the Google Pay means, so all that mandate will be removed, revoked. So here I received some SMS. Your UPI mandate has been successfully revoked towards Google. So it's a Google One subscription that is actually revoked. Well, that's it about this video, guys. In this way, you can remove your Google Pay account